Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about graphing an exponential function of the form f of x equals b to the x. So we're told to graph the exponential function f of x equals 1/2 to the x power. To graph the function, we're going to plot the points on the graph with x values -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. So it already tells us which values to plug in. So that's nice. Our x values we're going to plug in are -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Draw the asymptotes and then tap on the graph button. So that's what your topic will say. But when I plug in -2 to this function, what I'm going to get? 1/2 to the -2 power. I can plug that into my calculator and I will end up getting a 4. So at -2, I am at 4. Okay, maybe a little bit of a reminder of negative exponents. This is 1 to the -2 over 2 to the -2. When we have negative exponents, we move them to the bottom and the top. So this is 2 squared over 1 squared, and 2 squared is equal to 4. So that's one way you can solve it. When I plug in a -1, I'm going to get 2. So -1, I'm at 2. When I plug in a 0, I'll get 1. Guess what? If there's no shifts, when I plug in 0, anything to the 0 is just 1. So I will get a point at 0, 1 for these type of graphs. When I plug in 1, I'll get 1/2. And when I plug in 2, I'll get 1/4. So I can see the further I get with my x values, I'm going to keep going down towards 0, but I'm never going to get to 0. Remember what those are called? They're called asymptotes. So I have an asymptote at y equals 0 for these functions. It's going to approach 0 but never quite get there.